Hello, kids. So, for today, I'm going to be reading you a story. So, put your listening ears on. It's story time. It's story time. It's time for story. So, our story for today is entitled The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. Croo! One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. I'm hungry, says the caterpillar. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. Oh, did you hear his tummy? On Tuesday, he ate through two pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through three plums. But he's still hungry. Oh my goodness, this is a very hungry caterpillar. On Thursday, he ate through four strawberries. But he was still hungry. So the little caterpillar keeps on saying, I'm still hungry. On Friday, he ate through five oranges. But he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through a slice of chocolate cake, an ice cream cone, a pickle, a slice of Swiss cheese, some sausage, a lollipop, a cherry pie, salami, a cupcake, and a slice of watermelon. Oh no! That night he had a stomach ache. Ouch! Oh! The little caterpillar says, I'm ill. Oh, I think our little caterpillar ate too much. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through one nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon and pushed his way out. And he became a beautiful butterfly. Everyone, let's fly like a butterfly. The end. Which was the favorite food that the caterpillar ate? Why is it your favorite? See you next time.